Number 1 Smith machine incline press. Target the upper chest and shoulder muscle. Lean on an incline bench in the middle of the Smith machine. Start by holding the barbell of the machine slightly wider than shoulder width and selecting a plate according to your strength. Slowly lower the barbell to your upper chest and then press the barbell upward until your entire arms become straight. Then after holding for a 1 to 2 seconds, bring it the barbell downward with the same form. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set and increase the weight. Number 2 Seated dumbbell lateral raises. Primarily target the lateral deltoid. Sit on a bench holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands. Straight your back and keeping your feet on the ground. Keeping the elbows slightly bent and hands straight. Lift the dumbbell to the side until your dumbbell reaches shoulder height. Then while controlling the speed, slowly bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. By doing it with sitting, your body remains stable, due to which are able to target the side shoulder muscle well. Do 3 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Number 3 Highest to low cable fly. Focusing on the lower chest muscle. Attach the D handle to the both sides of the cable machine according to your height. Stand in the middle of the machine and hold the handle in each hand, keeping the elbows slightly bended, bringing the handle highest to low in front of you, and then squeeze the lower chest muscle. Then slowly move the handle to the fly position and stretch the lower chest muscle. Start with the light weight, then gradually increase the weight. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 4 Smith machine shoulder press. Target the deltoid and tricep. Sit on a bench in the middle of the Smith machine with your back supported and hold the barbell of the machine at shoulder height with the grip wider than shoulder width, and then press it upward until your arm fully extended. Then after holding for a 1 second, slowly bringing it down to the starting position till shoulder level. On the Smith machine, you can control the speed and maintaining the correct form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5 Flat machine chest press. Primarily work the chest muscle. Lean down on a flat bench on the machine and hold the handle of the machine with both hands above your chest, and then slowly bringing the handle of the machine downward to the side of the chest, and then press the machine handle upward until your entire arms become straight. During this movement, you squeeze the chest muscle and again bringing the handle downward. You can also do this with the dumbbell while laying on a flat bench. It is a very good compound exercise. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 6 Incline dumbbell fly. Focusing on the upper chest and anterior deltoid. Lean on a flat bench holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands above your chest. Stretch the upper chest muscle, bringing the dumbbell down into the fly position with control form. Then controlling the speed, bringing the dumbbell upward to the starting position. You can develop a isolate and wider chest muscle doing this exercise. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions and take a 1 minute rest after each set.